This is gonna be the worst Valentine's Day ever. I don't have a Valentine. I don't have a house. I'm so sad.
Not if the real estate Cupid has anything to say about that. 641 Jubilee.
I can't wait to see inside. So excited. I love these high ceilings. And the banister. This wood is amazing. What's over here? Oh, this molding, the wood. Oh, I can totally see myself entertaining in here. The character, I love it. This granite is amazing. Oh. Three bedrooms and a bathroom. Oh, and the sunroom. Oh, look at all of the natural light and the beautiful trees. This space is amazing. These ceilings are phenomenal. The windows, the flooring. There's so many possibilities. It could be an office, a bedroom, just a place to hang out. I think I found my Valentine.
You're gonna love the house as much as she did. If you have any questions about this property, you can phone me, Sandeep Singh with Royal LePage Top Producers at any time.